Of course, the Emperor would come back just because he was on the news. Ugh, not for the dimensions falling apart or...
The Emperor has always been a threat to our universe. We must get the Dimensionator away from him before we have no home left to save.
Make an entrance with the Bombardier! Guaranteed for an explosive good time! Enjoy that warmonger, sugar! Your enemies certainly will not!
All of the other names on that hit list.
It is not your fault that they were captured.
That is one mighty fine enhancement! Look who the cat dragged in!
We are not letting the Emperor destroy my home. Feeling good about this one. The Emperor was bad enough, but now that he has the Dimensionator...
We will not lose your friends.
So, if Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and Clank is an alternate dimension you, were we meant to team up too?
They do seem happy together.
Yeah. Guess being on my own is just what I'm used to.
Me too.
So maybe this is just
temporary.
Is all this fighting really necessary? Can't we talk about this over some lemonade?
No! The Emperor despises lemonade! Nothing should be sour and sweet!
I am done with these guys. Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst. Are here for us. I mean, you. All of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator.
Nobody messes with the Morts.
The Emperor is truly the worst.
How you been, darling?
Emperor's forces are here for us. By all of these rifts. The Emperor has become even more dangerous with the Dimensionator.
Happy to help you exit distance. Detonation imminent. You would regret that squishy.
Please watch where you point that.
All enemies neutralized. Your friends are safe.
For now, let's go talk to Mort and find out what's going on.
Rivet, you are just the best! We'll hold down the fort. You go do your thing. Rivet to the rescue again! You got our backs and we got yours. Always.
Woohoo! A little too much hooting and hollering for me. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you! Always feel better when you're around, Rivet.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you had to come save us again. We tried to hold our own, fixed up the Seekerpede and everything.
But one of those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking it from taking off!
First off, none of this was your fault. Second, leave the thingamajigger to us.
Raise her up!
By the way, say hi to Kit.
Hey there, kid. Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Hello.
That's Maynard, the Morts' helper bot. He'll lead us to the Seekerpede.
Interested in swarming your enemies with black holes of doom? Try the black hole storm. Nothing sweeter than the smell of gunpowder.
Attention, Sargasso. Emperor sends his warmest greetings with a subtle hint of condescending derision. Respectfully to Rivet.
Tell the Emperor he should come say hi himself.
Right. Or not. Either way.
The Emperor's not just going after the Morts.
He's taking out all life on the planet.
Come on, we have to keep following Maynard.
It's a bit tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon. I put a lot of thought into it. I hope you don't mind I watch from a distance. I'm just exhausted from eliminating your allies. I've seen better resistance, to be honest.
A lot of talk for a hologram.
Why would I waste my energy fighting?
Yeah, keep laughing. Let's see how you feel when we free the Seekerpede.
Such excuse for a planet.
Should check out that hammer crank. Getting closer to the Seekerpede. Let's keep pushing forward. when I was with Clank, he...
It is just like what I imagined.
Kit? Kit! Oh, you're all right.
This is an electric sphere.
Ah, you remembered your training. What happened to Clank?
He's traveling to Argolis with Ratchet. You two have met?
He's been helping me take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh. So that explains why this all feels so familiar.
It does? Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Absolutely.
Does that Spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost.
Zero gravity at my fingertip.
That's intriguing. The Spinnergizer converted the dimensional energy into action. You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
How bad are things now?
Well, we're circling the drain. It seems that the dimensional cataclysm has been intensifying.
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh, talented, resourceful, very shiny.
Agreed, agreed, agreed.
I can see why he'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a compliment, Kit, to both of you. What do you think of Clank?
We have barely spoken yet. I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
You were worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it wasn't for me. You're good. No, great. So of course he would be too. You're doing work worthy of being cataloged in the archives. So, if Clank is with Ratchet, does that mean you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be.
Is that what you think is happening?
I do not know. With Ratchet, we worked well together. But I was always worried about disappointing him, and I still am with Rivet. But it also feels like we already know each other.
Well, destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Wow, feeling lighter already.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but I think there are more spheres left to find. Offer one thought. Perhaps it would be Pit. You know that you've done better than I would have if I had been in your shoes, right?
What?
You went out into the unknown without a lifeline, doing the last thing you ever wanted to do. And you're succeeding. I could never have done that.
But you are. Trying to fill in for your father. Helping Clank and I navigate all of this. You are doing that. And succeeding.
That's Go us!
Go us.
Thanks a bunch there, kid. Now these jerks will really find out who they're messing with, don't you know? Mush, please.
Nice work. Want to blow that up?
I could be persuaded.
Not exactly a straight line to the battlecruiser, but that hurl shot should get us closer.
Hey, honey! You here for weapons or ammo? I'll bet both!
Oh, try to use my own syncopede against me. Oh, I do love watching others embarrass themselves. Yeah, the ultimate experience. Right. Honestly, I'm losing these with it. Now, I want to see how far you can go before I turn on you.
Now, I want to see how far you can go.
I'm coming for you! That has reached the cruiser!
Sorry to crash the party.
damage its power source.
Good thinking. Let's look around.
You there, Rivet? We locked on the kid's signal. Trudy's coming to help. Just hop on her back.
Interesting, shall we? All cruisers, activate your destructor beams. Planetary devastation!
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Rivet, our equipment's going haywire. The cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Those destructo beams can destroy an entire planet in mere minutes. The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
He can try. I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky sinkerpede.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers. Shields? Ah, just couldn't be easy.
Those shields are impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how we will get past them.
Hey, we threw together some bombs out of our gelatonium stash that should help you take down those shields. Trudy can pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
There are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's grab one. Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these.
Take that, Emperor Nefarious!
Nice hit. Let's keep it up.
Listen and bombs now! I grow tired of waiting. All cruisers increase beam strength to 120%. I want Sargasso broken!
Oh, jeez. Things are rumbling and tumbling down here, Rivet. We are all counting on you two.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We must act quickly and destroy the other battle cruisers.
Mayday! Mayday! They winged us! Gonna attempt a water landing! It's all up to you now, Rivet!
Mort, no! Hit! Trudy! Finish those battle cruisers off!
beam is moments away from reaching the...
Lord, break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Another unlikely win just in time to cross you off the list. Off to Zordu prison you go. Oh, who needs tradition? Let's spice things up.
We appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Luckily, the all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him. No, too far. Come on, Rift, work with me here.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, you could say that. I've fought a long time to win our galaxy back. Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor did that?
Oh, not exactly. It happened during a mission. I found a secret entrance into the Emperor's tower. So I tried to sneak in, alone. The door was right there. I didn't notice one of Nefarious' warbots was nearby. I thought I could run. I wasn't fast enough. Then it just stopped. I got away before it could finish the job. But I built myself this cool new arm, so it's not all bad.
Rivet.
That's fine. Hey, look! An exit! Check this out. Let's get to Zerky's. Maybe Ratchet and Clank have some good news.
Lemonade for everyone! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Let Miss Zircon make you a deal! I do like the sight of that! Looks like you've got some open sales and the raritanium to match! Leave it so soon?
Hope Ratchet's staying out of trouble.